So Elie Saab, the most celebrated name in the world of fashion and couture. Let's talk about the man behind the name. Elie Saab, he was born and brought up in Beirut, Lebanon. However, the brand Elie Saab was established in 1982. Elie Saab got his first global recognition in 2002 when Hollywood celebrity Halle Berry wore his gown to the Oscars and won. So that made a cultural impact. How? Because Halle Berry, being a woman of color, was the first Hollywood celebrity to win an Oscar. And at the same time, Elie Saab being the first Lebanese designer to dress an Oscar winner. In 2019, Elie Saab collaborated with an Italian architect named Carlo Colombo along with Rack Serapis. That collaboration gave birth to another vertical of Elie Saab brand, that is Elie Saab Maison. So basically, Elie Saab is all about fashion and Elie Saab Maison is all about home decor and furnishings. उनका first project launch हुआ था 2020 में, which was in collaboration with Emaar in Dubai. That was Grand Blue Towers. आज की डेट में Elie Saab has got a global real estate portfolio in more than 10 countries with over 20 projects. हमारे साथ जो project लेकर आ रहे हैं, that is his 26th project, but the very first in India. So basically, Elie Saab is not a newbie when it comes to real estate. Already काफी बड़ा portfolio create कर चुके हैं वो real estate में अपना. So ऐसा नहीं है कि first, second या third project ही है और उनको अपनी credibility दिखानी है. Although Elie Saab has got quite a presence in the Middle Eastern countries, but even if we remove Gulf from the list, still Elie Saab has got projects in London, Switzerland, Vietnam, Mexico, Brazil, Romania, Egypt, Maldives, and I'm sure I'm missing out on a couple more. So in today's time, Elie Saab has become more of a lifestyle brand in the ultra luxury segment. From designing the interiors of Mini Cooper cars to the interiors of a super yacht in Bahamas, that is 42 Exuma, to the chartered planes and private jets on Bombardier. I mean, it is truly amazing. Quite a multifaceted brand, all in ultra luxury. You cannot get better than this. So when it comes to Elie Saab as a brand, what is the brand's assets? When you think about Elie Saab, what comes to your mind? Instead of loud, flashy, on the contrary, Elie Saab is elegant. It is timeless. It is classy. It is a perfect blend of minimalism with character. Elie Saab is for those people who understand and value rare luxury. It is not for everyone. This is not for the masses. It is, ladies and gentlemen, for the classes. चलिए अब बात करते हैं हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में. So the location is Sector 98, bang on Expressway. इस 6 acres के लैंड पार्सल पे रेसिडेंशियल एंड रिटेल दोनों है हमारे पास. टॉकिंग ब्रीफली अबाउट द रिटेल सेगमेंट नाउ. सो ग्राउंड, फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड फ्लोर हमारा रिटेल है. ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे इट इज ऑल गोइंग टू बी योर फैशन स्टोर्स along with your cafes, coffee shops and gelatos. First floor is all about lifestyle. And second floor, ladies and gentlemen, so it is F&B, but in our project हम food court नहीं लेकर आ रहे हैं. What we are introducing is much needed here in Noida, fine dine restaurants. The concept in retail segment is not of a mall. Instead, it is of a high street. High street में benefit आपको ये होता है कि low density project होता है, कम brands आते हैं लेकिन top notch brands आते हैं, चाहे वो national हो या international. Moreover, high visibility. एंड क्योंकि ब्रांड्स टॉप नॉच आएंगे, उसकी वजह से जो जेंट्री होगी, जो क्लाइंटेल आएगी, जो फुटफॉल होगा, वो भी क्रीम एंड पॉश ही होगा, विच इज मच नीडेड. कमिंग टू द रेसिडेंशियल सेगमेंट नाउ, तो हमारे पास है 2 टाइप के प्रोडक्ट्स. एक है द स्वीट्स 1 and 2 BHK. इसकी कंस्ट्रक्शन कुछ होटल की तरह होने वाली है. ट्रिपल हाइटेड लॉबीज होंगी, 24/7 कॉन्सियर्ज सर्विस. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, we have the bigger sizes, which is going to be 4 and 5 BHK. And हम वो sizes लेकर आ रहे हैं 4 and 5 BHK में जो at least नोएडा में तो आपने नहीं देखे होंगे अभी तक. Elie Saab branded residencies completely overlooking the golf course. हमारे residencies start ही 5th floor onwards से हो रहे हैं. That is why we keep saying that you get uninterrupted views to Yamuna River and the golf course. Because for our clients, there is no compromise. You are getting best of both worlds, Yamuna and the greens. For more details about the project,